You can replace your simple curiosity because you work very well.
Wow, I'm very happy with processing, sir.
Keep going, Nasihan.
Sorry, sir. I'm just let me answer my wife.
Honey, I just spoke to gold rings, but I'm already bored with these two rings. Would you give me 2 billion? I want to buy a new bed to cover my bedroom.
By it, Doreen, I just got 5 million fresh from the funds for the road project.
What is a fucking confirm?
It's my science engineer.
Oh, that means I heard wrong. I heard earlier that the money was for project fund.
That's impossible, sir. It's money people.
Where are you from, sir?
I just got appreciation from Mr. Ditch for my hard level.
Oh, hard work spelling 5 billion from project funds.
Shut up, you low employee.
It's okay. And I'm lonely, but I never stolen people's money, okay?
What's wrong with you? My corruption is not big.
But if you add up the previous corruptions, it's called 3 trillions.
Are you challenge me?
I'm not afraid because I'm on the right path.
You regret it? Oh, damn.
What's that, buddy? What happened, Uncle? Why are you angry?
Ah, Pastor Bernacer, really enemy.
How name? Uncle, please explain.
This is my corruption and make me angry.
Oh my god. She is very dangerous for us.
What should I do? Harry, do you have idea?
Let me think for sure.
Why don't you fire her and bring in Helen? Yes, Uncle. If you include me, I will help you with the corruption.
Can fire her. Only yours can fire her.
What if you kill her and create an illusion that had it by suicide?
Oh, that's a good idea. Harrison?
Yes, sir. I will kill her tomorrow.
Hello, sir.
Hello, I left my laptop on the table. Can you get it?
Sure, I will take your laptop.
Thanks, but don't throw on the lamp if I know it's broken.
Okay, I will use light from my phone.
Oh my god, chill. Wake up.
She died by suicide, sir.
What should we do?
I will tell to Mr. George and you can call ambulance.
Okay. Rana, you get a job. She let in first class.
I'm sorry, Uncle. I wake up late.
Yeah, follow me. Good morning, sir.
Mom,
So, good morning too. What do you think about my new office?
It's good, sir. Sure, here is my review. You said we need Priscilla replacement fast.
Yeah, I said we need a bus, but we're not enough people.
She is have a good skill.
Yeah, if you work here, people will think you do a Nepotism.
There, they won't think like that, and I will show your skill.
Okay. I trust you.
Follow me to my office. Welcome to my office, Stella.
Wow, that's amazing.
This is your chair.
Can you explain my job?
Sure, your job is help me for corruption, hit the proof of my corruption, and manage funds so we can steal 60 until 75%.
That's simple. Don't worry.